I don't think you are interested in what I read. You are interested in the work I do.
You are not part of that.
With respect to South Sudan, we are already tapping into the African Renaissance Fund. And lawyer, honorable member, I understand the Pan-Africanism.
Deputy President, ungaba hoyiwe nonyana bakaFairvoet xa besizama nge-Pan-Africanism sawubathatha sibabeke. Bangaba khona ku-GNU, you are not part of that. Since you are mentioning that EAU is still busy with the matter, I want to propose to you, Deputy President, that consider a recommendation to IDERCO that it must use the African Renaissance as well as the International Cooperation Fund to look into providing the humanitarian aid to the victims in Sudan so that they can have access to food, water, and especially medical care. But also I want to check, why was such an idea never explored during your intervention, even with the South Sudan, as well as we have an issue. IDERCO yesterday came to the IR committee and said there is peace in Sudan, they are ready for elections, yet we are hearing something else today. Thank you.
The Honourable Deputy President.
Thank you, Honourable Deputy Speaker. Honourable lawyer, honourable member, I understand the Pan-Africanism. That's why I didn't comment on it. It's just displaced. The issue you are raising is, of course, important about how do we deal with the humanitarian crisis. With respect to South Sudan, we are already tapping into the African Renaissance Fund. You are saying extend it to the Sudan as well. It's something that I'll discuss with the President because it has to go to the leadership of the AU to look into that. But there may be also other resources that we may be able to tap with. But as I said earlier, abanye bafika nama agenda wabo banayo imali kodwa we need to be careful because when we take their money something must give, so we need to be careful, but we will take that proposal forward. Thank you, Honourable Speaker.